Alright guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali, Ali.com, Easy and White Tiger, Alligator, so on and so forth. So, thank you for watching my channel. So, on today's video, we're gonna do mystery box that I ordered off of Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, sadly. I mean, I already opened the box, but I'm like, wait, this is my mystery box. If you hear me sniffling, I'm sorry, I just had Cajun fries. And I'm like, I'm like sniffling. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Shall we continue with this mystery box? Kinda excited what's in here. You know, I mean, it is a mystery box. I mean, I wasn't expecting this until like later. Go back. Oops. Go back. Vicky, what's in this? What is in you? For you. What okay. Oh, okay. So, I know what this is. So, like, one thing, cool fact about me, I like to fish. So, this actually holds the fish's mouth, like right here at the lip. So, like, they keep it open. But I'm like, I've been actually wanting one of these. And, like, I'm actually kind of glad now I got one. Ha! I prongy. Ha 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 ha. I prong. This is so cool. I'm so, It's one thing I actually needed when I go fishing. I need to get my fishing license again. Or at least renew it. That is so cool. Ah, a claw. That is so cool. I mean, this is just amazing. And there's a strap. Well, what is this? I think with it. Can I? It seems like it's a pouch, but I don't know. Ow. Okay. What is? Oh, these are pliers. Sweets. Okay. I'm happy about this. I mean, another thing I can actually use. Dang. Okay. And look, it comes with a little belt thing. And like, this is so cool. I mean, now I got stuff I can use when I go fishing. I'm like, it's this nice, like, look coloring. This is so cool. I'm actually really happy about this too, like about this part. Let's see what else I got. Let me put this back. I'm so happy. Like, it's a belt clip. Something I know I need when I go fishing. I mean, like, you do need pliers. Put this here. Put that over here. Oh, I got a salt and pepper grinder. I think my mom would like this. Look at that. That's so cool. It's a 2-pack. I want to see what they actually look like. Let's open this box. Okay. Give this to my mom. Like, hey mom. Enjoy. She's like, why is my name being said? I'm like, nothing. Belated Christmas present, right? Put this back over here. Okay, there's one more thing in this box. Let's see. Thai foodie? I don't know. In this box. Oh, hair clips. Here. Anybody want hair clips? I don't use this at all. I mean, I can sell this. I give it away. Oh, okay. Might have to wash that. Anyway, I hope you guys like this unboxing. I'm happy about like some of this that came in. But anyway, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, and also, thank you guys for making me reach 50 subscribers. Now I just need to do my special event and have that recorded. As I said, I'm gonna have either one or both of my best friends come with me and record everything. So that's gonna be fun. Anyway, bye guys.